Cracked screen and locked out of your own iPhone? As long as it's signed into your Apple ID, you have options before wiping it. We tested these on an iPhone 14 and 13 with dead touch. Start here, least drastic first. First, force restart. Press and release volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button to the Apple logo. It's risk-free and erases nothing. On our test iPhone, it restored touch just long enough to back the device up. Touch still dead? Let Siri type your passcode. Wake Siri and say, "Turn on voice control." On the passcode screen, say, "Show numbers" to overlay a digit on each key, then speak each one. Tap 1, tap 2, and so on. No luck with voice? Plug in a USB keyboard through a Lightning or USB-C camera adapter. Press the spacebar twice to bring up the passcode field, type your code, and press return. Bluetooth keyboards won't work. They need touch to pair. Before anything destructive, back up. On a Mac, open Finder. On Windows, open iTunes. Select the iPhone and click Backup Now. Encrypt it so your health data, keychain, and saved passwords all survive. You'll need a computer you've trusted before. Can't get in at all? Use recovery mode, which works even when Find My is off. Press volume up, volume down, then hold side until the cable screen appears, plug into a computer, and click Restore. It runs 15 to 45 minutes. If your data matters but your backup is stale, book an Authorized Apple screen repair, the only fix that keeps everything. It's $29 with AppleCare Plus, more out of warranty. And skip any unlock service that asks for your Apple ID up front. So force restart first, then let Siri's voice control type your passcode. If touch is truly dead, a USB keyboard. Always back up before any erase, and for guaranteed data safety, an Apple repair. Full guide on phone.tips